How to enter promo codes on eBay. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to use promo codes on eBay. First thing you have to do is open up your web browser and head over to ebay.com and make sure to log into your account. As you can see here, I've already logged in. Now, once you are logged in, you're going to have to add items to your cart first. So you can browse through your eBay and add the eligible items on your cart, which I have already done. So you could just tap on your item and then tap on add to cart. First select what size you are or color, then tap on add to cart. Once you've added your item to your cart, you can proceed to checkout. So click on see in cart and then click on checkout one item. Tap on this checkout button. Then you can enter the promo code here. So after entering all of your details, you could just go ahead and scroll down and then find your cart here. Here you'd see in a section for gift cards and coupons. Tap on it. Just enter the code here, tap on apply, and you should be able to get different kind of discounts on your checkout. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.